Hey everybody, so in today's video we're going to cover how to solve a system of equations, and we're going to do this one using substitution. So let me just write that down here. It's going to be key for this that we're going to use substitution. So I will use this example to show you what substitution is and how it works. So the question at hand is that there's an admission fee at a small fair that is $2 for children and $4.50 for adults. On Saturday, 3,000 people enter the fair and $6,200 are collected. So how many children and how many adults attended? So the first thing we want to do is identify our variables. We'll call one of our variables the number of children and the other variable the number of adults. We'll name this variable x and this one, x and this one y. So we know that 3,000 people entered the fair and all of them were either children or adults. So x plus y is going to be equal to 3,000 here. That's the total number of people. Now, the second equation we want to solve is the equation of their cost, because that's the other variable they're given. So whenever a child enters, they pay $2, which means that your variable here is going to be 2x. And then whenever an adult enters, they pay $4.50. So you get plus 4.5y is equal to the total cost, which was $6,200. So now we have our system of equations set up. We have two equations set up and we have two variables. Sorry. So it's key to note here that x and y cannot be combined. They are not the same variable. They cannot be combined. Otherwise, you could just solve this using combined like terms method. But since they're different letters, they represent different things and therefore cannot be combined. So how we're going to solve this? We're going to solve for x. We'll do that by subtracting y from both sides, and we get x is going to be equal to 3,000 minus y. Now that we have our x variable in terms of y, we can actually plug it in here, and this way the only variable in this equation is going to be y. So 2x becomes 2 times 3,000 minus y plus 4.5y is going to be equal to 6,200. Now if you distribute this, you're going to get 6,000 minus 2y plus 4.5y is equal to 6,200. So I'm going to combine a couple steps here and I'll explain this, but I'm going to get 2.5y is equal to 200. So what did I do? I moved this 6,000 to here, and then I just combined like terms at this step. Now I can just divide 200 by 2.5, and if I plug that into a calculator, 200 divided by 2.5 gets us 80. So we know that 80 adults entered the fair. Now, how many children entered the fair? Well, x is going to be equal to 3,000 minus the number of adults. So 3,000 minus 80 is going to be equal to 2,920 children. 2,920 children entered the fair and 80 adults entered the fair. In the next video, we're going to cover solving systems of equations with elimination.